you take the crayons in this, then you pound it like this. Take a napkin under this thing. Now let's put the pink ones. I'm going to begin with the pink color. It's so fun. Let's begin. Next color we'll do red. Did you see red? Ta-da-da-da-da-da-da! I got all of them pounded. Now it's ready to go in the oven. Yo! Let's put it in the oven. You have to take them in a nice tray. Okay, let's put them in this. Now these both. There. Here we go. Let's put the big tray. The smaller cups will be fit. The pink one inside. Oopsie, don't forget to put the wrinklers. There. And these both. There we go. Our setup is ready. It's so amazing to see the crayons in the oven, and they remind me like clay, the hard like clay. Only red, green, brown, purple, blue, and yellow is melting already, right? I can see it. Even pink is also melting. Let's go to my art and the craft table. I have to wait for the crayons to get freezed so we can color. After they are cool, look at my rainbow crayon, the rocking chair, and a teddy bear. And this is the mommy and this is the dad. Actually, we made it so wrong, so that's okay. So let me start coloring with that. Where's the yellow? Amazing, guys! You all saw my beautiful coloring. We'll send you on YouTube. Like my videos, then press up the thumbs up button, and don't forget to share and subscribe. More exciting videos. Do post your comment. Bye bye.